To find where two functions intersect, graph them both on the TI-nspire. Use the intersections tool to find the exact point where the graph met. This is useful for solving equations and understanding where different models intersect. For example, finding the intersections, now we need to choose B graph. And then we need to choose tab. So we can write it in our functions into the calculator. So x square and choose enter. Now we need to write the second functions. Two x plus 3. Now we choose enter. Then we can see the graph. Now we need to find the intersections of the two graphs. So choose menu and then analyze graph and then intersections. So now we can see the intersections.